Let's explore how to work with interactive containers using Bash. In this tutorial, we will learn how to run containers and gain interactive terminal access, which is very useful for debugging and development. Let's define what interactive mode really means. Interactive mode allows you to run a container and immediately connect to its terminal. This enables real-time command execution and interaction with the container's file system. Here are the key features of interactive mode. It provides real-time terminal access, allows direct command execution, supports live container interaction, and offers immediate feedback on the commands you run. Let's see the essential Docker command for running a container in interactive mode. The command is docker run -it ubuntu bash. The -i flag keeps standard input open, allowing you to interact with the container. The -t flag allocates a sudo tty or terminal, providing you with a command line interface inside the container. Let us understand the two flags that are used in the interactive mode. The first flag is -i, which stands for interactive. It keeps standard input, often abbreviated as stdin, open even if you are not attached, allowing input to be sent to the container. The second flag is -t, which stands for tty. It allocates a pseudo terminal that connects your terminal with the container's terminal, creating an interactive shell session. Here are some common examples of using interactive mode with Docker. To launch an Ubuntu container with an interactive bash terminal, you would run docker run -it ubuntu bash. To start a Python container with an interactive Python shell, you would use docker run -it python:3.9 python. Now, let us see how to connect to running containers. Use the docker exec command to connect to a container that is already running. The command is docker exec -it container name bash. Here are the use cases where you would use exec command. To debug running containers, to check container state, to run additional processes, and to access the container's file system. Let's review the best practices for using interactive containers. Always use the $-rm flag for automatic cleanup of the container once you exit. Always combine the -i and -t flags to ensure you have a fully interactive session. Use meaningful container names to easily identify your containers. Exit gracefully from the container using the exit command. Now let's discuss what not to do. Do not leave containers running unnecessarily, as they consume resources. Avoid using only -i or -t, as they work best when combined. Do not ignore resource limits, as containers can consume a lot of resources. Avoid force-killing containers, as it can lead to data loss or corruption. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned. Key commands covered in this tutorial are docker run -it ubuntu bash and docker exec -it container name bash. Interactive containers with the -it flags enable real-time terminal access for debugging and development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.